YouTube, wagwan, you know, it's your boy Click, man, and you're tuning into Click React. Today, we're gonna be looking at Dunce Cheque by Valiant. I know everybody heard this song when it was on TikTok trending and everything, and everybody just a wait for his song for drop, and it dropped that idea with the next fire. You get me? So anyway, we're just gonna look on the song there. I don't know why, but something about Valiant just different. He song them different. It's like everything when he drop, it just sound a different way. You get me? I say. So we're just gonna look on that today. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You know, turn on post notifications, like, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. See? Is that a Lexus? Big girl Texas. Okay. I might get drop out of school. No, I might drive to a school. Okay. That is that's one of the biggest difference with North America. You have kids. I drive go to school in a high school, but Jamaica, I can just imagine how you don't feel I drive a car go to school, much more a friggin' Lexus or X6 or you get me I say? Why is song named Dunce Cheque this? Hold on. It titled Dunce Cheque, but that little image there says something else. Hold on. Dunce Cheque. You get me I say? That's very strange. Dunce Cheque up so, Dunce Cheque so. But I guess same thing. Father Dippo.
Yo, Tarek.
Got the X6 cleanie. Red interior.
Arcade chat.
You know, some never know them thing that all up on YouTube.
Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject. England gal and all the be my one rough sex.
It's a primary school in there, cause I see them cut out there and them saying, okay.
Maliard, but you no drunk yet. Drift the crown and make she get upset.
190.
You want money on the subject. You want money on the subject. Grab card.
One thing me know they put in working at this music video, cause me know said no primary school. No primary school I know of, I should say. Other than prep school, and I have no AC in that, so you know another room than
like that. Spin down, low fried. Ha ha, science, hold on, client.
That line hard, the hold on, client.
PDF file ready. New
I think that youth, yeah, this a youth I did see. The first time I see snippet of this song or whatever, and this a youth I did see in our comment section or something like that, and I see one reply and I follow his song and I said, Jano. Obviously we didn't have to wait how long to get this song.
Belly, ratchet in my ears, now send him down a medic. May have the soul, she's called have good credit. Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject.
Why this a class is a small in back look like a front?
England gal and all the be my one rough sex. She pop the molly hard, but you no drunk yet. Drift the crown and make she get upset. You want money on the
subject. Uniform and mix up though.
You want money on the subject. My clutch a gal a Barbie. Hot beats like Versace.
And the next thing about that song, it rhythm sick. It bass enough in it. So you can just imagine like all a left a party, all a gym work or anything and you hear is a song you have
no shirt, jeans, Zara. Client card when me use make it harder. Big up Las Vegas, Nevada. Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset.
Hold on, no teacher in the class.
No, done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject. England gal and all the be my one rough sex. She pop the molly hard.
No teacher don't look at any other school. I remember when I teach myself. That's how the dunce check come in. You get me? You're not teaching yourself. From primary school.
Your money on the subject. Grab card, bad dad, spin down, low fried. Ha ha, science, hold on.
Again.
Client, PDF
X-rated, YouTube.
Belly can't hold pump belly. Ratchet in my ears, now send him down a medic. May have the soul, she's called have good credit. Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset.
The only thing I can say, obviously a little bit, I guess 30 seconds I sang left. The only thing I can say, I wish you verse them the longer or more versed in it, because it seemed like the chorus took up most of the song, like 2/3 of the song. Not that the chorus is bad, obviously the chorus slap, but
no, done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject. England girl in the be my one rough sex. She pop the molly hard, but she no drunk yet.
Boss, I read the book upside down. Read that.
Drift the cone hard and make she get upset.
And this time when you sleep, the whole class session, you know. Basically the whole day.
Show money on the subject.
Oh my God. Yo, just imagine they have to shoot over that scene and the man lick him in the head with about 10 times.
Subject.
If I'm a king
Someone can't wake up. Yeah, as I say, song tough on everything. Me just think say more verses could have in there. I mean, nowadays songs are like 2 minutes 30 seconds to like 3 something or 4. But it just feel like it chorus. You know, anytime a new song come out and the song tough, you go replay over and over and over, right? I just feel like because the chorus is so much like it's repeated so many times already in the song, and you go already repeat the song. Is like it can't get played out. But obviously this is a song you're gonna be a hit for a while. But big up Valiant. See you way.